Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to start with some addition revision because we haven't done it in quite some time. The first question we are going to start with is 32 add 25. Now, I want you to use the partition method. If you remember, we partitioned 32 first. So we'll have 30 and 2, and then underneath it we partitioned 25. 20 and 5. Draw a line and then draw a line here to separate. Okay, so right now I want you to pause the video. You're going to add 2 and 5, and you're going to put it in this column, and you're going to add 30 plus 20, then you're going to put it in that column. Once you've done it, press play again for the answer. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 30 plus 20, so 3 tens, plus 2 more tens, 5 tens, so that's 50. Then you add the numbers together. 50 plus 7 is 57. Now we'll do another one. Next question is 37 add 27. This time we are going to do something slightly different. Instead of drawing a line down the middle, we are going to do a plus sign. So 30 add 7. Underneath it, 20 add 7. The steps are exactly the same, but we've just changed the line to a plus sign to show that 20 plus 7 is the same as 27. So this time when you copy everything out, put a plus sign in between. Okay, so right now I want you to pause the video and work this question out. See if you remember what to do. If you don't quite remember, then just wait and I'll show you how to work it out. So 7 plus 7. 7 in your head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. Then add the tens. So we've got 30 plus 20. Remember from the last one, 3 tens plus 2 tens is 50. Oh dear, what do we do with this 10? I'm going to circle it because it doesn't live there. 50. Add 10. 10 more than 50, 5 tens plus another 10, 60. Add 4 equals 64. Okay, we'll do another one. This time we're going to do 48 plus 36. Okay, I'll lay out the work, then you're going to pause the video to work it out on your own. So 48, we write it as 40 plus 8. 36, we write it as 30 plus 6. Draw a line. Pause the video here to work out the question, and when you've done that, press play again and I'll show you how to work it out. 8 plus 6. 8 in your head. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've got 14. Add 40 plus 30. 4 tens plus 3 tens is 70. We've got a 1 there. What do we do with it? circle it, send it over to this column. So now we do 70 plus 10. 7 tens plus another 10, 8 tens, which is 80. Add 4. So our answer is 84. Last question. 56. Add 29. Okay, this time I'm not going to lay it out for you. I want to see if you can lay out the partition method on your own. Then work everything out, then press play again for the answer. So to lay your work out, we are going to partition 56. So we go 50, add 6, then we partition 29. 20 plus 9, draw a line. 6 plus 9, we're going to put 9 in our head because that's the bigger number, then we're going to add 6. 9 in your head, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Add 50 plus 20. 5 tens plus 2 tens is 7 tens, so 70. This 10 doesn't belong, so we're going to kick them out, put them over there. So 70 plus 10. 7 tens plus 1 10 is 8 tens. So it's 80 plus 5. So our answer is 85. Today's maths lesson is a challenge that is going to require you to move around your house. You are going to create a tally chart of objects in your house that are made up of different materials. So your first step is to create a chart that looks like this. So it's going to have 3 columns. And in the left column, you're going to write the different materials. And I want you to use the same materials that I have chosen. So you have metal, plastic, wood, and other. Other might be like objects made of paper or something made out of ceramic or porcelain. Your middle column is going to be where you're going to tally everything. And in the total column, that is where you add up the tallies and you write the number. So step 1 is to create your chart. Step 2, you're going to choose a room in your house or your flat. So you're not going to count all the metal objects in your entire house, because I just looked in my cutlery drawer and I already saw like 100 different things made of metal. So you don't want to count all of the objects in your entire house, because that will be too many. So just choose a room. You might want to choose your living room or your bedroom, or maybe your kitchen. Then you're going to tally the objects that are made out of each material. So you'll look in your bedroom, for example, and you'll tally the number of objects that are made out of metal. Then you'll look in your bedroom and you'll see what objects are made out of plastic, and then you put a tally for each plastic object. Same thing for wood, and same thing for other. Then you're going to fill in the total section. So let's just do an example. So let me get my different pens out. Okay, so let's pretend that I'm in my bedroom and I want to tally all of the metal objects. So I'm going to walk around my bedroom. Let's pretend I'm walking around, walking, and I can see the lamp next to my bed. The base of my lamp is made out of metal, so I'll put a tally. My bed frame is actually made out of metal, so I'll put another tally for my bed frame. I'm not actually in my bedroom, so I can't really even remember what I've got. Oh, the frame around my mirror is made of metal, so I'll give myself another tally. And my Vaseline is normally next to my bed. That's made out of metal, so I'll give myself another tally. Let's move on to plastic. I actually don't have much plastic in my bedroom, but I do have some lotion, like the bottle of the lotion. That will be a tally. Then you keep going. Wood, I've got my bedside table, then my wardrobe, my desk. What else have I got that's made out of wood? I can't remember. And then other things like paper. I've got my book. I've got a hot water bottle that's made of rubber. So that will be a tally for other. So let's pretend that I'm all finished and I've tallied everything in my bedroom. Then on this side, you'll write the total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, and 2. This is a fake one. You're probably going to have a lot more tallies written down in your chart. Okay, so this is your challenge for today. These are the steps. This is what your tally chart needs to look like. So you might want to pause the video so that you can copy my chart.